The Nigeria police force accuses the Senate of playing politics with lives of people. Spokesperson Jimoh Moshood says the police will continue to uphold the rule of law in all its ramifications. Court orders that Dino Melaye be moved to Abuja Hospital for treatment. The Nigeria Police Force, NPF, has alleged that the Inspector General of Police (IGP) Ibrahim Idris was invited by the Senate because of Senator Dino Melaye and not the killings across the country as claimed. The Senate at plenary recently declared the IGP as enemy of democracy and unfit to hold any public office within and outside the country for failing to honor its invitation. Thrice, the news agency of Nigeria, NAN, reports. The upper chamber had refused the Deputy Inspector General of Police in charge of operations and other senior police officers to represent the IGP when he was invited on April the 26th. The recent claim by the Senate that the reason for inviting the IG is to brief them on the recent killings in some part of the country is an afterthought which can be seen from the headings of their invitation letters. ACP Jimoh Moshood, police spokesman, said in Abuja on Saturday, May the 12th. Moshood said that, if the invitation was for him to brief the Senate on strategies adopted in tackling killings in the country, it would not have been planned for a national television. The Senate's action to cover the appearance of the IG on national television is against national security, unconventional, and it negates global security practice, he said. The spokesman said that the letter the Senate wrote inviting the IGP clearly showed that the invitation was not about the killings but about Dino. From the headings of the invitation letters, it is very clear that the IG was invited on those occasions by the Senate purposely because of Senator Dino Melaye's criminal indictment, he said. Moshood said that the purported list of killings in Nigeria this year by the Senate was shocking, unfortunate, and capable of worsening the security situation in the country. Pay attention. Install our latest app for Android. Read best news on Nigeria's #1 news app. It is mischievous and heinous to play politics with people's lives, even if it is a soul. The release is speculative and not supported by any fact. Office of the Senate President does not receive or process security report from state commands, he said. He said that the force as a law-abiding entity would continue to uphold the rule of law in all its ramifications. The force insists on due process of the law, and once again implores the Senate not to whip up sentiments or resort to self-help, but to allow the rule of law and justice to prevail on the whole matter, he said. Meanwhile, the High Court sitting in Lokoja, Kogi State, has ordered that Dino Melaye representing Kogi West Senatorial District in the National Assembly be moved to the National Hospital Abuja for further treatment. Channels TV reports that Justice Nasirajana gave the order on Friday, May the 4th, after the Senator's counsel, Mike Ezekam, San, sought for his bail. The court ruling came shortly after Melaye appeared before a senior magistrate's court in Kogi State on a stretcher.